How to view the weekly ad in Target and change your store. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to do so, here's how you can do it. So the deals are relevant to your location, so you can follow out this step-by-step tutorial for that. So we can start by going to Chrome and going to Target.com. Just go over and search for Target.com and log into your account if you're not logged in. You can even access the application as well. And once we are here, what we can do is we can just go over and look out for weekly ad. Here in the top menu, you can find this option. We can click on weekly ad and click on it. And here, weekly ad will be for the default store. So the default store weekly ad will appear in the section. Now here, you can browse deals by category or page through the ad. So you can see right now it's this one right here, and in the top we have this option called browse by category. When we click on it, we can browse it by different categories. For example, home appliances. So select home and it will give you similar kind of weekly ad available, something like this. You can click on this arrow icon to view others one and just go over and view it up. And in order to get top deals, latest trends, and more, you can even leave your email address in the section and sign up into that. And you will be getting offer details. Restrictions may apply, pricing, promotions, and availability may vary by location, but you can just go and follow that method. Now from here at the top of the weekly ad page, you will be seeing your current location, this one right here. So you can change your store, etc. We have home. You can just go and check it out, and in order to change the location, look out for this section. After that, click on it and we can select up our store. We can change store, for example this one right here, Waterloo. So click on it. After that, click on this option called shop this store. You can even look out for this more info section and do so, or you can in this box enter the zip code or the city and select your preferred Target store. You can click on look up and do so, and click on shop the store, and it will give you the similar similar thing that you're looking for. You can just go and look out for it, and the weekly ad will update to reflect that store's promotion. And the thing is, changing your store ensures inventory availability and local promotions are accurate. You can check it out, but usually this is how you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.